Good morning and welcome you all to Narnolia Securities Weekly Market Outlook. Last week, Nifty lost all gains of the week on Friday and closed flat at 6266 levels. Globally, there was a risk-off seen across all major stock markets as brewing financial crisis in Argentina unnerved investors, causing the Argentinian currency peso the steepest decline since 2002. This acted as a contagion to all the stock market indices across globe and all emerging market currency. The fall in emerging market currencies and equity stock markets happened at the backdrop of fall in China's HSBC PMI, which was fall for the first time in 6 months, signaling a slower growth. The important FOMC meet on 28th and 29th of Jan, and political problems in Turkey, Argentina and Ukraine. Domestically this week, RBI's third quarter review of monetary policy is scheduled on Tuesday, 28th of January 2014. One thing important to note is that RBI has most of the times used WPI as the main indicator for deciding policy rates. But now it has decided to keep CPI as the benchmark inflation index, as WPI excludes the important service sector. Moreover, it has targeted that CPI, which is currently around 10%, should be brought to 8% in 12 months and to 6% by mid-2015. With such aggressive targets, we opine there is hardly any headroom for easing liquidity. Therefore, any hopes of rate cut in the near term may get ruled out, and hence the monetary policy review on 28th January may be a non-event. Even if economic reforms do not give a boost to the Indian stock market, the ongoing corporate result may yet act as fuel. For 150 companies that have declared their quarterly results till date, median sales growth is 9.9%, while median PAT growth is 14.1%, and this is exciting as margin expansion despite no interest rate cut and double-digit sales growth for Indian corporate in a challenging environment is heartening. Amongst Nifty companies, L&T reported 11.8% sales growth and 12.15% growth in net profits. EBITDA margins for the company expanded by 180 basis points to 11.6%. Our fair value estimate for L&T is Rs 1030. Asian Paints consolidated sales grew by 13% while net profits fell by 2%. The company's ROE is expected around 28.8% for FY14, which will be at 9-year low for the company. Our fair value estimate for Asian Paint is Rs 440. Kotak Bank NI grew by 10.9%, while net profits fell by 6% year-on-year. The asset quality parameters deteriorated. We lower our target price to Rs 714 from earlier Rs 782. HDFC's profit growth of 12.1% year-on-year was in line with street expectation. Our fair value estimate for HDFC remains unchanged at 875, which is 4.5 times FY14 book value. Ultratech sales, EBITDA and PAT declined 1%, 24% and 39% year-on-year respectively. One thing good was that despite weak realizations, Ultratech has delivered quarter-on-quarter margin expansion. Our fair value estimate post results stand unchanged at Rs 1846. Cairn India reported 40.1% growth in consolidated sales, while profits dropped by 13.8%. Fair value estimate for Cairn India remains unchanged at Rs 360. This week, Hindustan Unilever, Maruti, NTPC, SSLT, GAIL, Bharti Airtel, ICICI Bank, Hero MotoCorp, PNB, IDFC and Grasim will be declaring their quarterly numbers. Thank you and wish you a good trading and investment week ahead.